Hello and welcome to another Egypt with a Spanner. This episode we will be taking a look at a problem relating to RVs or campervans regarding kitchen storage. It can be difficult to find used mobile homes that tick all boxes that a new owner can throw at it. In this case, my Burstner hasn't enough drawer storage, resulting in the owner, me, getting on his hands and knees to try and perform the simplest of culinary tasks. For this task, I've used the Smith and Lock system from ScrewFX Direct 450mm by 86mm metal drawer system, which you fit to your existing cabinet and then measure the distance between and fit your own drawer floor. One of the biggest difficulties I had was getting the runners level first of all, and then once I had them fitted to the inside of the cabinet, measuring the distance between the two to make my floor level or wide enough. It took a couple of attempts. There was a lot of cursing involved also. As you can see, I was able to fit the original door to the drawer frontage, and that made it look very neat. I found it was able to lock perfectly with the existing thing. There was no need for any extra locking mechanism. Putting the second interior drawer, simple enough. I just had to bring it back another few millimeters so I was able to clear the first drawer. The drawer face itself I made out of 12mm ply. I just edged off the corners on it and mirrored it perfectly, but that had to be done to avoid the lock on the first drawer.